Introduction to freelance writing as a career. Freelance writing is an incredibly versatile and rewarding career path that offers the freedom to work on your own terms while earning anywhere from $15 to $40 per hour or more. Whether you're looking to pursue writing full-time or as a side hustle, this field provides opportunities for individuals with a passion for crafting engaging content. In this video, we'll explore what freelance writing entails, the skills needed to succeed, and tips for maximizing your earning potential in this competitive yet fulfilling industry. Understanding the role of a freelance writer. As a freelance writer, your primary responsibility is to create content tailored to your client's needs. This can range from blog posts, articles, and website copy to technical documentation, social media content, and even ebooks. The type of writing you do will depend on your niche and expertise. Some freelancers specialize in specific industries, such as technology, health, or finance, while others take on a broader range of topics. The key to thriving in this role is delivering high-quality, well-researched, and original content that meets deadlines and aligns with your client's objectives. Essential skills and tools for success. To succeed as a freelance writer, strong writing skills are essential, but they're not the only requirement. You'll also need excellent research abilities, time management skills, and the ability to adapt your tone and style to suit different audiences. Familiarity with search engine optimization, SEO, techniques is a major plus, as many clients look for writers who can help improve their online visibility. Additionally, tools like Grammarly for grammar checking, Trello or Asana for project management, and Google Docs for collaboration can make your workflow more efficient and professional. Maximizing your earnings as a freelance writer. Earning $15 to $40 per hour or more as a freelance writer depends on several factors, including your experience, niche, and ability to market yourself effectively. Beginners often start at the lower end of the pay scale, but with time and a strong portfolio, you can command higher rates. To maximize your income, focus on building a niche expertise, as specialized writers often earn more. Networking on platforms like LinkedIn, joining freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr, and reaching out to potential clients directly can also help you find higher-paying gigs. Remember to always negotiate your rates confidently and emphasize the value you bring to your clients. Conclusion: taking the first step. Freelance writing is a flexible and lucrative career choice for those who enjoy writing and are willing to put in the effort to build their skills and reputation. By understanding the role, honing your craft, and leveraging the right tools and strategies, you can turn your passion for writing into a sustainable source of income. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your freelance writing career to the next level, the possibilities in this field are endless. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your freelance writing journey.